Okay, as promised, we are here at Yal Ku Lagoon, and we're gonna go in there and do some snorkeling and take you guys along. She gave you the information. Get it online. That's free information. Okay, we're gonna get our tickets and then we're going in. Okay, we got our stuff. What'd she say? We have to go rinse off or just go? Let's go.
Putting everything down.
Right. All right, let's go to our palapa. Falafel. Apúrate aquí ahora. Come on. Palapa. This way.
Palapa.
Palapa. Another pro tip. You come to this place, come early. All these places, come early. Don't come late. All right, that's not our palapa, so I guess ours is a little further down, which is good. That means it's further away from people. We will go this way. Where's palapa dos?
Palapa dos.
Ah, sí, gracias.
At the corners.
Ah, here's our palapa. And here's your lagoon. Nice, nice. Okay, you want a room walkthrough of the palapa? Here we are. Jim and Karen, what a surprise! All right, let's get this stuff down. We got all our stuff. This is really nice. Yeah. Let me shut this. All right, let's see. I say we go down this way where there's probably less people. Down that way.
Down what way?
Where we're going, you know.
How do you know there's less people?
I'm just guessing. I have no idea. I've never been here before. But this place is huge. And there's loads of little inlets and outlets and islands and stuff. There's a lot to explore.
People down this way. I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, but they're all swimming past us, so let's go the opposite direction. Looks like a group.
It is.
Okay, so let's get away from them.
Well, that's where they all get in. It's down where we're heading.
No, this is, the more you go this way, the more it becomes less populated.
That's where they are all coming in yesterday.
Yeah, this is nice. Oh, this water's delicious. It's not hot, it's not cold, it's actually just perfect. Oh, by the way, this is brackish water. I didn't tell you that yet. The inlet from the ocean is that direction, and it filters back here to all this lagoon where freshwater obviously enters from a cenote or whatever. I'm not sure, but it's brackish water.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. I can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends. Let's be more than friends. Yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day. Yeah. So hold me tight.
Get here early. All this type of stuff.
It's just us two, me and you. Can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me. Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars. Where I'd rather be than with you. I can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me. Can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me. I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. I can't believe we're more than friends. Yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day. Yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. So lucky, still can't believe you love me. Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars. Oh, where I'd rather be than with you. So lucky, still can't believe you love me. Can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me.
Break, and now we're going back in. I guess it's about another hour before this place closes, so we're gonna go explore that end now. Just waiting for Jim and Karen to get in here. Jeannie's gonna stay. She's content with staying in the Papala, or whatever you call it. There she is. Alright. This is really cool. We like it. How do you recommend this for a half day, full day? I don't know, whatever you want. So that was actually really good. We had a really good time, and just to let you know, we didn't film the other side because going out towards the mouth where the ocean comes in, it got murky and it really wasn't that interesting. There wasn't that many fish. So if you do come here, just stay to the left and go deeper into the lagoon as opposed to the other side. That said, again, I do recommend coming here. For us, it was a half day, so that was perfect. For you guys, it could be anything you want, but it definitely is a very cool place.